Stop using ChatGPT like a beginner. These 10 hidden hacks will save you hours and make you 10x more productive. Most people ask simple questions to ChatGPT, but smart people use it like a tool to make money, save time, and grow faster. Let me show you how. First hack, act as. Instead of asking normal questions, say, act as a marketing expert. Boom, you get expert-level answers instantly. Second, ask it to explain step by step. Perfect if you're learning anything new. Just say, explain like I'm a beginner. Third, rewrite anything. Emails, captions, messages. Just paste and say, make it professional. Done in seconds. Fourth, make money ideas. Ask, give me side hustle ideas based on my skills. This alone can change your income. Fifth, daily planner. Ask, plan my day based on these tasks. It will organize your schedule, priorities, and even breaks. Perfect for staying productive every day. Sixth, smart replies for chats and emails. Paste any message and say, write a polite and clear reply. No more overthinking responses. Instant, professional replies. Seventh, summarize anything. Got a long PDF? Just paste it and say, summarize in 5 points. Eighth, idea to business. Turn your idea into a full plan. Just ask, convert this into a business model. Ninth, let ChatGPT ask you questions. This gives more accurate answers. Most people don't use this. Last, combine everything. Use multiple instructions in one prompt. This is how pros use ChatGPT. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more AI hacks.